Jesus Christ. Mother of Lord.
Holy crap! This is like a cyclone.
Fuck, hell.
Millions of people have been warned of a deadly storm with winds of more than 100 kilometers per hour. Cowra was hit by winds of 107 kilometers per hour at the time, the Bureau of Meteorology said. Other areas in regional NSW, including Wagga Wagga and Orange, have been hit by the storm, which has left scores injured, property damaged and crops destroyed. The storm has caused extensive damage in many areas, with reports of fallen trees and power lines down. The Bureau of Meteorology warned the storm could continue, bringing heavy rain and lightning that could worsen conditions in some areas. Authorities have issued warnings for people to remain vigilant and stay away from affected areas, and to avoid unnecessary travel. Rescue teams have been deployed to the worst-hit areas, trying to provide assistance to people trapped in their homes by flooding or debris. Meanwhile, the impact on the agricultural sector has been significant. Mature crops have been badly damaged by the strong winds, while some farmers have reported large-scale crop losses. Local governments have pledged support and assistance to affected farmers. The situation has raised further concerns about post-storm recovery, given that previous similar storms in the region have caused significant economic losses. The Disaster Management Agency has urged people to continue following official guidance and prepare for the possibility of more extreme weather conditions. Meanwhile, many families are now displaced after their homes were severely damaged by strong winds and flooding. Emergency services are working around the clock to evacuate residents from isolated areas and provide temporary shelter. Several towns have been forced to close major roads due to fallen trees and flooding, complicating recovery efforts.